What is going on, guys? It is Justin with Extreme Custom, and today we are going to be taking a look at the RBP Glock wheel. This is a 22 by 12 inch wheel with a negative 44 offset, and with such a high offset, you are going to get a very big dished wheel. So let's see how big that lip is. It is a 6-inch lip, so more than average. And then the tire that this is paired up, it's an Atturo Trail Blade XT tire, and this is a 325/50R22 tire to fit the wheel. Really aggressive tire for the really aggressive wheel. But let me know what you guys think about this combo in the description below.
Thanks guys for tuning in. If you like what you just saw, make sure you check it out in the description for some more information. Like up this page, subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing you real view videos of products you may be shopping for. Thanks again guys so much for supporting a true garage startup.